Hi, I am Donatas from TokenMill and would like to introduce you to a crawling framework we recently open sourced. In this video, I will show how to set up and use it. At first, we create our crawling project directory. Then we download Elasticsearch. We extract it and start Elasticsearch server. Next, we clone crawling framework project from GitHub and build it. Building will take some time. When project is built, we need to create Elasticsearch indices needed by the crawler. Parameters to the script are Elasticsearch server hostname and the name of our application, in this case demo. Crawler configuration should be updated to use indices we just created. This is done by adding our application name prefix to default index names. Now we can start the crawler. We do similar configuration update for administration user interface. Now we can start it. Administration user interface runs on port 8081. Let's open it in the browser. For this demo, we will crawl science-related news articles. Let's go to Page Analysis tab and see what is the structure of ScienceDaily.com website. Here you can see what links and meta tags it contains and to check if crawling is allowed by robots.txt. Let's scroll down and see what is the pattern of news article URLs. These ones look like news article URLs. We'll copy one and start configuring the crawler. Press Add New button to add configuration for Science Daily website. Enter name and URL, which are mostly used for unique identification of a website. URLs field contains URLs which are visited periodically to find new articles. And in URL filters field we put patterns for URLs which contain articles. Only URLs matching these patterns will be fetched and parsed. We can always test how our configuration works by clicking Test button. We enter URL, press Parse and see if the URL matches the pattern we entered. Then we open the URL, take the source, put it into HTML field and see how other data is extracted. Title looks okay, but date is missing. So we go to the web page and check what is the CSS selector for the publication date. Then we put it into date selectors field and test parsing again. Now date looks good, and you can see what pattern was used for date parsing. But it looks that text now contains some irrelevant information. We go to the web page again, find out text selector, put it into text selectors field, test again, and now text looks a bit better. So we can enable this configuration and crawler will start crawling this website. I will add one more science news source, this time from BBC. The process is exactly the same. Now when we have several enabled website configurations, log of crawler should look something like this. To see crawling results, I will update Analysis UI configuration and we'll start it. It will start on port 8080, so let's open it in the browser. Here we can enter any science-related keyword and we will get all crawled articles containing that keyword. To see the progress of crawling, there is a stats button for each website in Administration UI. Then you click on it, you see how many URLs were detected and how many documents were successfully parsed. One more way to see crawling results is using Kibana from Elastic. First we download it, extract it, and run Kibana server. When server is running, we open localhost on port 5601, configure the index, and here we can write Elasticsearch queries to get crawled documents. Thank you for your attention. We hope that you will find crawling framework useful.